In this video, I'll be showing you how to use voice typing on Samsung keyboard. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, voice typing on the Samsung keyboard is a native feature that allows you to dictate text in any app. And you can choose between Samsung's offline friendly engine or Google's cloud-based accuracy. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, scroll down and towards the bottom, you're going to find general management. Then tap on your keyboard list or anything like that, and then all you got to do is ensure you have your keyboard. So let's just say we want to go to Samsung keyboard. Now we're going to see a lot of different options right here, and then you can go over to voice input, and then you can choose Samsung voice input. So then whenever you're on a keyboard or anything like that, you could basically use a microphone toggle if you want to go ahead and do that. Right now I'm on Gboard. If I go over to the Samsung keyboard, there's going to be a little toggle or anything like that where I can basically talk, and then it's gonna know what I'm saying. Alternatively, I can also just use the Google keyboard as well to do the same thing. So if I went over to my settings, went back one, then I went over to Gboard like this. I'm gonna see voice typing as one of the options. Enable voice typing, then go back to your keyboard, and then if I just change the different keyboard mode that I'm currently on, and then you have a choice between your Samsung keyboard and your Google keyboard. But of course, if you want to do it on the Samsung keyboard, as you can see on the bottom left, I have the microphone and it's picking up what I'm saying. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.